Well, my goal in life is to understand imagination. I want to get under the hood and figure out how it works. When you read a book or someone asks you to imagine something, and that picture in your head, where does it come from? How do you decide what goes in that picture? And where do those things go? So that's what I'm going to try to do. So when I became a professor, I started the Science of Imagination Laboratory. And according to our theory, imagination is constrained by three different things. The first thing is the environment that you're in when you're called upon to use your imagination. Now, this might be the book that you're reading or when I tell you to imagine a dog or something. And the second thing is what we understand about the world, the rules that we understand of how the world works. We'll call that a world model. And then finally, our visual memory, and that is everything that we've ever seen, right? So I'm going to talk about how you can study imagination and how it's been studied scientifically. And I'm particularly going to think about how our perceptual history affects our imagination. So, I want to understand imagination. Well, this might seem a little strange, right? Imagination and science, they don't seem to fit. Imagination seems to be one of the most elusive and mysterious things that there is, impenetrable to scientific investigation. Well, I'm going to talk to you about some ways that you can study imagination scientifically, how other people have done it, how I've done it, and what the future is going to hold for a science of imagination.